Right on my screen, you can see this beautifully set up Bitcoin investment website script. Now, this Bitcoin investment website script allows you to change the look of the dashboard from the admin. Now, the admin has the power to change how the dashboard of the client area will look. Now, this website script, as you can see, it is set up on my screen right here, and it is built with a clean code, so you are not going to be getting any error of any sort even when you're trying to set this website script for yourself. Now, in this video, guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to be showing you how to set up this beautiful Bitcoin investment website script. I'm going to be going from the beginning, how to get your domain name, how to get your hosting, and then moving over to how to log into your cPanel and then get to deliver this job even for yourself or even to a client. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating stuff around text and web stuff. We educate you on how to set up website scripts. We teach you how to get to build any kind of website, and then any other trending topic around tech, we do that and show you how to make the best out of it in this channel. Now, let me make a quick disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes and it is not made for any other thing aside from educating you and letting you know that these are stuff that are actually obtainable in the internet space and in the web space also. So guys, that said, I believe you've subscribed to our channel and you've turned on that notification bell. That's the only way YouTube is going to notify you that, yeah, we've dropped a new video, and you're going to watch that video and then make the best out of that video. And now the essence of this video is so that you can follow my procedure and then you get to receive the exact same result. So guys, that said, let's dive right into my system and let me show you how this website script works. Now, before we proceed in the video, this video is divided into 3 segments. Now, the first segment is where I'm going to be showing you how this script is working and whatever thing you need to know. Like, I have already set up this on my server right here, as you can see on my screen. I've already set this up, so I'm going to be showing you how to make use of this website script. Now, the second segment is where I'm going to be showing you how to get your server set up, your domain name, your hosting, and then how to log on to your cPanel. And then the third segment is where I'm going to be showing you how to configure this website script to set it up so that you can get the exact same result as you're seeing on my screen. So let's proceed. Now, here is the admin of this website script. You can see how beautiful it looks. It is awesome and it's something you're going to love, guys. As I said from the beginning of this video, it is built with clean codes and you are not going to be getting error of any sort while you're trying to set this up. So that is why we're doing this video. So this is the admin path. So let me show you one of the interesting feature of this website script that makes it very, very beautiful and very awesome for you to get. So let's just click on manage theme right here. So let's click on this manage theme and let's see what happens. So guys, with this website script, you can change to as many templates as you want. So you see the gold theme, we have the green theme, we have the white theme, we have the purple, we have the universe theme, we have the red theme, we have the light blue. So you have up to 4 to 5 different dashboards that you can change to. Now guys, I'm also logged into the client area, so you can see this is the client area and it also comes with the app view. So the clients can, when they log into their dashboard, it's going to be showing like as if it's an application that they are logged on to, but it's actually your Bitcoin investment website. So now let me see, let's change to a different template. Let's go to the first template. So this is the first template and dashboard right here. So let me activate that and let's come back to the client area and let's refresh. Okay, wow. So you guys, you can see that this is beautiful. You can see this is how it's going to look. So if you want to select this particular one for a particular job, that is another thing that makes this website script very awesome and cool for you to get, making it good for you that you can actually use this same script and do up to 6 different Bitcoin investment websites, and they are not also going to look as if they are the same. You understand? You can use this particular template for a different website. Then let's change to the second one. Let's change to the green theme and let's activate. So let's go back and refresh the client area. So you can use this first one as for a different website. let's reload the second one. You can use this second one as for a different website. This is two websites, two Bitcoin investment websites looking differently. So now let's come back and refresh the third one. So this is the white theme, and this one also looks like an application. So let me activate that. That was the previous one that you saw. So now let's try and refresh the client area. So you see that this is beautiful. So let's come back. Let me just show you the look of this on the app view. So let me just refresh that right here. So you can see that it looks like an application. So you see that, wow guys, this thing is beautiful. So you can see the navigation down here. So you see deposit, you see invest, you see the home, withdraw, and then transfer. So you see that it looks like an application. So now let's go back to the admin, and then let's try changing up to a different theme altogether. So let's come back to this purple dashboard. So let's come back and click on active, and then let's come back to the client area, and then let's refresh. So that one is purple. So let's see how it looks. Wow guys, you can see that this is beautiful. This also has the look of an application. So let me come back to a mobile view, and then let's see how it looks. So you can see that this website script is something you will love, guys. You can see that this comes looking like an application. This is what you can do. So you see that we've changed up to 4 different dashboards that you can use for 4 different Bitcoin investment websites separately. Wow guys, I believe you're getting to love this website script, because I bet you are going to enjoy making use of it, because it's something that is built with clean codes. You have no error of any sort. You can get the app view if you want. You can get to make use of it for 4 different websites, making it good for you that you can actually use it for numerous websites without getting any restriction of any kind. So let's go back to the admin. So this is the admin right here. So let's come back here. So let's come back to this. Let me also show you the look of this first one on the mobile view. So you can see that it's something you're going to love, guys. So let's refresh this and see how it looks on your phone. So it looks like an application, and okay, this one, I'm sure this one doesn't come like an application. Okay, see how this one looks. So guys, it's something very beautiful, and you're going to love that. Okay, so let's come back and let's try some other features of the website script. So let's come back to, so let's say we want to try investing. So yeah, I've already created an account, and that is this user account you're seeing right here. I've already invested $600, and let's try making a new investment. So let's just come to investments, and let's click, okay, this is the investment plan. Let's come to deposit. So I'm just going to show you how to configure the investment plan and the deposit payment gateway later on in the video, when we go to the last segment of the video. So let me just click on deposit, and so which payment gateway do I want to select? So let me just select this first one, and the amount I want to put additional $600, and let's click on deposit. Now you're seeing system right there, because your there is a default set amount that once you sign up you're going to get that one for free. So it requests for proof, so you just have to upload the proof of the payment made. And let's come down here and click on deposit right now. So remember, before that, your client, you see that the payment is successfully received. So let's come back to the admin, and then let's click on manage deposits. Okay, yeah, right here, manage deposits. And you're going to see that we just made a payment of $600, and I'm going to accept that payment. Let's click on accept, and we are going to go back to the client dashboard. So let's refresh this dashboard right here, and let's see. Wow, you can see that $1,200 right here in my account. So that's said, guys, that is cool. So let's come back to, let's try to make an investment, because there's already set investment plan right there. So let's click on investment plan, and let's click on you can actually invest. If you don't have funds in your account, you can just invest right here, and it's going to redirect you to the payment gateway. You have to make deposit first. So let's come back to this. I already have money in my account, so I can just proceed to investing. So I'm just going to invest using my balance. So I'm just going to invest. So how much do I want to invest? Let's say I want to invest, okay, let's say okay, let's check the amount for this. So this one is the minimum is $100, so I can actually invest $500. So let me come back here and invest 500. and I'm going to click on invest right now. Wow, so you see that successfully invest. So let's see, you see how much my balance is remaining, and you can see total invest, current invest, and this is the current plan I'm on. So now the cool thing again about this website script is if you change from this particular dashboard to a different dashboard, all the data that you've created here still remain the same. Understand? So okay, well, let me practicalize that and show you. So you can see that I have $700 here and I've invested $500. So let's try changing to a different dashboard altogether. So let me show you what I actually mean. So the $500 and $700 is still going to remain in. So let's activate this green theme now. So let's come back to our client dashboard. So you can see that it is still having the same balance, it is still having the same investment, and it's still having all the current plan I had on the previous dashboard. So changing the dashboard will not make the data you've already created on a different dashboard to clear. Hope that is clear. Understand? So let me just come back to the admin. So let's try it. You can still change to another dashboard. So let's come back to this white one, and then let's activate that. Let me refresh that now. So let's see. So you're going to see that this is still having the same account balance and the same total of invest. So even if you change the dashboard, it is not going to affect the data you've already created on a different dashboard. So guys, let's proceed. So now here on the admin, let's check out some other stuff we can go through. So you can see that here you can manage users. So this is where you can do other activities on the user's end. So if you want to manage all the customers or the clients that have already signed up on your website and on your broker, you see that here is where you can manage them. This is where you can get their details and stuff like that. So let's come to manage plan. So you can see that we already have 4 plans right here. So if we just want to add another plan, just have to click on add plan, and that is set for you. So guys, in the further segments of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a plan for yourself and how to navigate through every stuff you're seeing right here. So let's say general setting. Okay, let's say gateway setting. So this is where you're going to set up your payment gateway and every other stuff you need to set up at your backend, so that the clients, when they want to invest, they are going to invest into your own details and stuff like that. So now let's proceed. Now we are going to move over to the second segment of this video. So in the second segment, I'm going to be showing you how to get your domain, how to set up your server, and these servers will enable you to start uploading your website. Okay, yeah, from this second segment, I'm going to be showing you how to get your domain and hosting. Now you need your domain name and you need your hosting. And once you're getting this web script from us, we are going to be recommending a very strong host for you that will enable you to have a seamless process also while you're setting up these web scripts, so that you're not going to get any error of any kind. So now let's just say we want to search for a domain we want to use for our website. We can just search for that here on Namecheap. So let's say BTCC fonts. So let's do something like this.com. So let's search for that. So you can see that Namecheap is actually on the discount for domain names ending with .com. So let's check if that domain is available. So if that domain is available, we are going to check that domain out, and then we are going to proceed with purchasing our domain and our hosting. Okay, yeah, our domain name is available. So once our domain is available, we just have to add our domain to cart, and once we are done adding that to cart, we'll get our hosting also. So you should always purchase your shared hosting, and let's check for that. So let's select a plan from our shared hosting. Let's wait that to load up. So from here now, we have 3 plans. So this first plan is cool for me. So this first plan also allows you to add 3 more websites. So I just have to click on get started, and it's going to, so that domain and hosting is worth $33. So now most times when our students get to this point, they find it difficult to make payments in dollars. Now we've made a very detailed video in our channel right here. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description of this video. So that video shows you how to set up a virtual card that helps you to make payments online in dollars. and you can also receive payment. You can transfer from your Nigerian bank account to the virtual card and stuff like that. So it's seamless. So try watch out that video, guys. So this is the total amount of our domain and hosting. So I'll just click on add to cart, and I'm going to add them to cart. So if you're getting this for your clients, so you just have to proceed and purchase this. But I'm not going to buy this domain. I'm just doing this to show you how you can purchase your domain and your hosting. Now once you're doing this for your client, proceed and make payment and get your domain and hosting. So once you get your domain and hosting, you are going to be logging into your cPanel, and then you're in the registered email that will be sent to you after purchasing your domain and hosting. You're going to receive your username and your password, which you will be using to log into your cPanel. So once you are done that, you're ready to go. So now this brings us to the third segment of this video. Now in the third segment of this video, I told you that we are going to be showing you how to configure and set up this website script so that it can also be live as the same thing you're seeing right here. So you can see that it's live. This is the admin, and then this is the user dashboard. So for us to get something like this, we are going to be learning that in this third segment. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is, once you are done getting your domain and hosting, the registrar will send you a username and password in your email that will be sent to you. So that username and password, you'll be using it to log into your cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, you are going to be seeing an interface just like this, just like what you're seeing on my screen right here. So once on your cPanel, you can see it right here that it says cPanel. So once you're here, what you just have to do is come here and locate for your file manager. So if you can't see your file manager, you just have to locate it at the bottom, or you can come here at the search and then search for that. So let me reload that. So let me just come here and search for my file manager. So this is my file manager. So I just have to click on it to open my file manager. So once it opens, you just have to locate your public underscore HTML, and then you come right here. So now once you're right here, you just have to head straight and then upload the front end of your website. Now what we are uploading here, remember this script is the back end. So to set up this back end, you first need to upload your front end. So after uploading your front end, you can now start setting up the back end, which is this script we are configuring right now. So once you're right here, the next thing I want to do now is I'm just going to create a folder. So it is on this folder now that I'm going to upload my website script. So if you're doing this for your client also or for yourself, so still follow the exact process so that you can get the exact same result. Now what name am I going to give my folder? So let's say bttc xc something. So let's just give that name. So whichever name you want to use. So I just have to click on create folder, and my folder will be created. So here is my folder right here. So I just have to click on that to open. So you see that my folder is empty. So this is the same thing you're going to see. So from here now, I am just going to upload my website script. So I just have to click on upload. So guys, watch this video from this part till the end of this video, because that is the only way you are going to be seeing how we got the files, and we are going to be telling you how to have access to this website file. So don't worry, before the end of this video, I am going to be showing you how to have access to this website script and software, so you can actually deliver this same job to your client or for yourself. Remember, this website script allows you to navigate and change your dashboard, even up to 5 different and beautiful looking dashboard and user dashboard. You understand? Let's wait for this script to upload, and then we are going to move over to the next step, where we are going to be extracting it and then moving it into the folder that we just created. Okay guys, so our script has successfully uploaded. So next thing we're going to do, let's come back to our file manager, and then let's reload this folder where we uploaded our script. So you can see our script right here. So next thing we should do now is to just right click, and then we click on extract, and then we click on extract files. So it's easy to set up and just take your time. So let's extract our file. Okay, our script has extracted, so let's just close this, and reload. Okay, yeah, this is it. So next thing you should do now is we are going to move every file in this extracted folder into the folder name we created. So we just have to select all and then click on move. Then where are we moving to? We are moving to this folder we created. So let's remove everything at the back of it. So we've removed it, so just click on move files. So the directory is empty, so let's go back one more level, and yeah, this is the folder. So next thing you should do now is we are going to install this script. So for you to install this script, what we just have to do is our domain name, the domain name you purchased, slash the folder where you uploaded the script to, and then slash install. So now let's get that done. So I just have to copy my domain name. This is my domain name. So I come right here and I paste that, Ctrl V, slash the folder. So what is our folder name? So let's go back. Let me close all these tabs and let's come back to my folder. So what is the folder name? The folder name is bttxc. So that's my folder name. So let's put that bttxc, then slash install. So just click on enter, just search for that. So it's going to prompt you to where you need to install this web script. So let's do that right now. So wow, you can see that it says please read the license documentation and all of that. So this is an automatic installation. So let's just click on start installation. Okay, so you see, this is why we also told you we are going to be recommending a very nice host for you, because some hosts we have some restriction on some of these required stuff that you need to set up the web script. So you see, the required PHP version of 7.4 or higher is needed. So all these things should be set from your hosting company, so before you can set up this. So click on next step, everything is ticked good. Now you see that there are some ones that are still restricted. So, and you see the instruction here, it said ensure that the listed file slash folder permission is set to 775. So you see, so this is 775. So let's come back to the first one needed here is core slash bootstrap slash catch. So let's come back to our folder. So this is our folder. We have come to core slash bootstrap, then slash storage. Okay, yeah, slash catch. So you see that this one is the permission is 755, so we change it to 775 as instructed. So let's come back to this place. So the next one is core slash storage. So let's come back and we'll go up one level. Storage, this is storage right here. So I'll edit this one to 7752 and I click on save. So let me refresh and see if we are making progress at all. So if it goes well, it's going to tick good right now. So let's wait for that to refresh. The next one is core storage app. So let's proceed. Core storage app. Yeah, this is app. I edit that to 775. The next one should be framework. So I believe it's listed there also. So let me just edit that at once. So let's save that. So let's come back. Okay, yeah, you can see that it has ticked good already. So let's just reload this and see if the one, wow, you see, so it's remaining this last one, core storage log. Let's come back here. Okay, this is log right here. So I just click to edit that. I just click and edit that to 775. So if everything goes well, it should prompt us to install our web script right now. So wow, you see that everything, we are good to go. So I just have to click on next step. So now this is, at this point now, you can actually create your database details, or if you've created before, you can come here and input them, then you proceed with installing your website script. So once I have mine already, so I have created a database. So let me just put here on your database host should be localhost. So just type localhost. So then you get your database name. So I have my own setup already. My database name, Control C, and I paste Control V. I have my database name already. So my database username is this. So I Control C and then I Control V. That's my username. So my database password is this. Control C and then I come here, Control V. Okay, so what admin username, what username do you want your admin to make use of? So let's just say admin. Oh, I made it. Okay, I added this here. So let's come back here, admin. So let's just say admin. So your admin password, let's just say admin. Let's just say, so that is my admin password. So my admin email is admin at gmail.com. So if that is okay for me, I'll just proceed. So let me just save these details. Control A, Control C. So I come back here and put my admin email, because we are going to be needing that to log into our admin. Control V, and my password, Control A, Control C. So it's just easy to set up. So enter and then Control V. So we are good to go. So the next thing you just have to do, okay, now let me just show you how to create your database, should in case you don't know how to do that. So once you're on your cPanel, so just come down here and you can scroll up depending on the hosting you're using. So this is database section. So just locate my SQL database wizard, make sure you select this, and I double click and open that. I double click and open that. So you just have to give your database a name, any name you want. So you just have to click on next step. It's going to prompt you to select a password. So once you're creating these database details, you'll be saving them on your notepad, because you'll be needing them for your configuration, as you're seeing right here. So if you're good to go, if you've created your database, you just have to click on install now, and then we are going to wait for our web script to install for us. And after installing, we are good to go. So let's just wait for it to install right now. Wow, you can see that our script has installed successfully. So now what we just have to do is we are going to load our web script to make sure that it is successfully installed. So for us to load it up now, it should be our domain name / the folder we uploaded it to make sure that our web script was loaded very well. So now let's search for that and make sure it is okay now. Our web script was installed successfully. Wow guys, you can see that this is very easy. Wow, it's loading up already. So I'm going to be showing you how to log into your admin and then how to log into your client's dashboard. So you need to input these links on your website, so that once someone click on your login page or your sign up page, they are going to be prompted to log into the dashboard. So let's just so you can see our front end right here, and you can see the login page and you can see the sign up page. So now let's right click and open this on a new tab, and let's right click and open this on a new tab. So this is our login and then this is our sign up. So now if you're using a different front end for this, please, I want you to pay attention to this. If you are using a different front end and you want to use a different front end, but you want to make use of this script to do the function of the back end, so what you just have to do is on your front end, you locate your index.html file and every other page on the front end of the website. What you just have to do is locate the login URL that is already existing there and then edit it with the one of this script. So you can see the login of this script and you can see the sign up link. So what it will do is, if you collect this login link right here, if you collect it, Ctrl A and Ctrl C, you come back to the different front end you want to use it for, and then you edit it. So what it will do is, if someone clicks on that your different front end, it will bring them right here, and then they can make use of this script you changed. Hope that is clear. Understand? So most of the times you may want to use a different script, a different front end and a different back end to connect it together. So it's just something that is easy. Understand? Just edit your front end and all the pages on the front end, edit them with the login page of this back end and then the sign up page. So anyone that has register, you use this register link, you just edit it with this link, and then anyone that has login, you use it with this link. So that said, let's proceed. So now this is the front end of the website script. So now I am for you to log into your admin. So let me just do that. So what you just have to do to log into your admin is your domain name slash the folder where you uploaded this website script to, and then slash admin, then slash login. So let's do that. So this is my domain name slash the folder, then slash admin slash login. Login to log in. So that's okay. So just hit on enter. Wow, so let's wait for it to load up. Wow, so you see the difference. This is sign in to admin. So this is the difference between the admin login page and then the user login page. So this is the user login page, and then this is the admin. Now you'll be asking yourself, how can you get the username and the password? Now remember, when we were installing this script, we created an email, we created the username, and then we created the password. And you remember I pasted it on my notepad. So it's important for you to whatever thing you're creating at that point of installation, you make sure you save it to your notepad because it's needed for the configuration. So my email was admin@gmail.com. so you remember, gmail.com. so if that goes well, I should be logged into my admin. So our script is ready. So you can see that we've been able to log into our admin, and we've been able to see. So right now we can start creating an account as a user on this website. So this is the login page, and this is the registration page. So let's just wait for my admin to load up, and you can see that our web script is successfully ready to be used. Now you can see that this is my username, and this is your dashboard. So welcome to your admin dashboard. You've been able to successfully configure and set up this website script. So now let me walk you through some stuff at the back end here. So there are some stuff that you may want to set up, and you need to set up before you can start using it. So you need to set up your investment plan, your payment gateway. You need to set up the website name, because you can see that this one is still having a different name. So you set it up to have your own website name. So remember, our own name, the folder name we gave our own is bttxc. So let's just use that as the name of our website. So let me just come down here. So let's just come over to straight to general settings, and once I click on general settings, I click on general settings again. So here you can change your website name. So let's give the let's say for instance our website name is bttc fonts, something like that, fonts. So that's our website name that we are going to be using. So as I copy that, I still come here and paste that. So it's going to change the website name. Ctrl V. So let's come down. Is there anything we need to set? So you can see that you can turn on your KYC. So I will still try and do this so that you see how that works. So it has KYC and it has a lot more features, guys. So I'm just going to have to click on update general setting. Okay, wow. Okay, thank God that this thing is showing up right now. You see what you say? You said you are not allowed to this action in the demo. So now there is one more configuration and setting we need to do. So for us to achieve that, to enable us edit stuff at this backend, so we have to come back to the folder. So on the folder where we uploaded the backend, we need to do something now. We are going to edit the code there. So let's come back to our core folder, the folder we uploaded our backend script to. Okay, so if you come back to this folder where we uploaded the website script to, so all we just have to do is we are going to locate the .env file. So if you can locate this website script, this particular .env file, so what you just have to do is come to your settings and then check this show hidden files .file. You can see .files here. So and you click on save. So if you've done that, you can see this hidden file. So I just have to right click and then edit it. So once you try changing something from the admin after uploading the script and it says you are not allowed to edit the demo, so what you just have to do is come back and follow this procedure right here in this video. I edit it also. Okay, so it is opening. So once it opens, you're going to see this demo right here. So once you see this demo, if you're seeing 1 here, anything you're seeing here, just edit it and change it to 0. Change it to 0 and then save. So it has been saved. So let's come back to the admin and then let's try editing something again. And so let's try changing stuff again. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. So let's edit this one again. Ctrl V. So I come and click on update general settings. So you see that it says general setting has been updated, and you see that this is having this and it has changed right here. And let's scroll down again. So you see that it's showing the name of our website now. So we are good to go. So now let's try creating a user account. Okay, before that, let me repeat what I said before. Now if you want to use a different front end and then this particular website script as your backend, what you just have to do is, as you've set up and installed the website script, what you just have to do is take this login link here and then go to your index.html file and edit all the login link and paste it, change it with this one, edit all the registration link and then change it with the registration link. So what this will do is when they click on the login link, it will prompt them to this, and when they click on registration link, they will come right here. So now let's see, and let's just change, let's just try creating an account on this. So let me just say what is my name is web, my last name is tech, something like that, text, something like that. So my username is web. Let me use a less uppercase, so web. So that's okay for me. So my phone number, I can just use any number. So my email, let's just use let's say web@gmail.com. So my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I agree to terms and conditions and click on register. So my account should be logged in right now. So let me just log in my account. So this is my email right here. So wow, you can see, so now you can see that I'm having an account balance of $500. So and you see successfully registered. So now let me show you something at the admin again. So you see that right here it says sign up bonus, so you can edit this to 0. So let me just put 0, so that once someone log in, once someone newly create accounts, you can just you will not have any amount in your money, but I'm sure my own should still remain even after editing it. So okay, it's still remaining, yeah, but any other person that will sign up after me will not have to receive any amount in the balance, you understand? So you can see how my user dashboard looks, so, and you can see how it looks. So it's very beautiful and it's something you're going to love making use of, guys. So let me come back to the admin. So let's come back to manage demos. So you can see that what we saw in the beginning of this video is still obtainable. So let's come back to let's say green team, and let's activate that now. So if you had not changed that stuff from the .env file, it will still be showing you error here. So make sure you change that before you proceed with any other thing you're doing right here. So let me just reload. It should bring me to a new dashboard. So you can use up to 4 or 5 different dashboards for 4 or 5 different websites. So it's something very, very beautiful, guys. So you see that, yeah, my dashboard has changed. My username is still right here. So you have your 2-factor authentication, you have your settings, and you can log out. So now what else? Okay, let's try changing this logo right here. So let's come back to this place and let's come back to general settings. Okay, this is gateway settings, so let's come back to general settings. So in the general settings, we just have to come down right here and let's select any random logo and just upload. So any random logo at all. So let's come back to my desktop. I want to upload this particular logo, so let me select this also. So let's come down right here and upload this. So that's okay. So let me just try try updating the general settings right now. Okay, so it's okay for me, so I just have to reload and see if our logo has been uploaded for me. So let me just try that. So if it goes well, it should be updated immediately. So okay, it's still there. Let's see, let me try doing control F5. That is a hard refresh. So I just want to remove that preloader stuff showing up right there. So I just want to remove it. Let me reload that update. So that is okay. So okay, yeah, you can see that our logo right here is uploaded for us. So we are good to go. So what else do we need to do? So let's try setting up a deposit gateway from our admin so that we can see how that goes. And then I need to also change something. You see that when you log in, you'll see accept cookies and all of that. So if you don't want that, just come here and click on no, and then you update that. So once you update that, you're not going to be receiving that message when you sign up. So let's try setting up a gateway. Gateway settings. So right here is the gateway setting. So you can see our numerous gateways right here. So let me just try logging in and from my from the user dashboard. Let me just try doing a deposit. Okay, you can see numerous gateways right here. So if you don't want these ones, which I know you will not want them, so you just come back to your admin. So what you just have to do is the first one you open it, each one of them you just open all of them and turn them off, or you try deleting them. Allow this payment gateway, no. So I will just click on update and it is gone. So you come back here, you're just going to take your time and do this for all the payment gateway you're seeing right there. So do you want this payment gateway? No. You just click on update. Sorry, it has been updated for me, so it's updated already. So you come down here again, which other one? Let's say coin payments. So whichever one you don't want, you just have to take your time, edit it and then delete it. So let me edit some so that we'll make this video fast, not longer enough. So that one is updated. So if you check right here, coin payments was here. Coin payments, we had coin. Okay, see coin payment here, and then we had PayPal. So let's try and refresh now and see if they are already gone. Let's refresh this right here. Okay, so it should be refreshed. So you see that PayPal is gone and then coin payment is gone. So just take your time. Anyone you don't want, you come back to the admin and edit it. So let's say you want to create your own. So just come here and click on create gateway, and then you create gateway again. So just put the name you want to put and put the logo. So let me try putting my own logo. So let's say you want to create Bitcoin wallet address, so just upload your logo. So I click here again and upload my logo again. So it also accepts your barcode, so it's something that is beautiful. You just have to get your barcode and put it. So let's say Bitcoin, so that's okay. Currency is USD. Conversion rate is 1. US charges, if you want to collect any charge you put, if you don't want, so you can come here and then paste your this. You can just come here and paste your wallet address, and then you click on create gateway. So once it creates, it's going to Okay, so you see that it says gateway created successfully, so that is cool for me. So let's come back and proceed. So here on the admin, let's come back to the client dashboard and then let's refresh here. So let's see if that Bitcoin comes up. Okay, so you can see the Bitcoin we created right here, so it's here already. So that is cool, guys. So let's come back to the admin. So what other settings do we need to do? So if you want to set your investment plan, so just come here and click on manage plan. So whichever thing you want to manipulate, you can manipulate it from the admin. So whichever dashboard you want to see. So after creating this gateway, we'll just have to my network is bad, so okay, so these are all the plans right here. If you don't want these plans already, you just have to just come here and turn them off and all of them. So let's just leave one. So they are off already. So if you want to create a new plan, so just come here and click on add plan. You put your plan and then you put how long you want your plan to be. You put if you want it to return for lifetime or a period, and user investment limit, anyone. So you can just set them up. So another thing you need to know is let's see if we can change another dashboard. So you see that everything is working perfectly well. So let's come back to activate for the purple one. So let's activate this purple one right here. So let's come back to our user dashboard and let's refresh that and let's see what happens. Wow, you see that it changes to a different background and a different dashboard. So this one looks like an application when you get it. So let's come back to admin. So another thing, let me say for instance I want my clients to get to do their KYC. So I come back to general settings and I come back here and turn on this user KYC verification. So I come down and then I update general settings. So what this do is once the clients log in back after the admin has turned on this user KYC verification, you will see that it will prompt the client to do a KYC registration before they can proceed with doing any activity on their account. So let's wait. Okay, it has been updated. So let me come back right here and refresh my account. So let's say I just logged in as a client. You'll see what will happen right now. Wow, you see the way it will say please update your KYC information. You see, so all this, if anything I want to do now, it would prompt me to do my KYC. So until I do my KYC, I can't proceed with anything. So let me come back and turn it off from the admin. So I just did that. So whichever one you want, if you want email verification, you can do that, whichever one you want to do. So let me just update the general setting again. So it's gone. So if I come back and reload my user dashboard again, you see that it will go off. So let me reload that. So you see that everything is up again. So let's just try. So what other stuff do I need to show you how to do right here? So you can just come here and try playing around, and then another important thing you need to do is your email manager. So you need to configure your email well so that once clients register, they are going to get email, and once they do anything, they deposit, any kind of stuff they do, they need to get email. So for you to do that, just come to email configure. So this place, now you're going to create your email, and once you create your email, you come back here. So for you to create your email, I believe you should know how to do that. So you still can just come back to your cPanel. So this is your cPanel. So once you're on your cPanel, you see your email here. So you just have to create your email. So I already have email created, so I don't want to create any new email. So I can just come here and copy this particular email and Control C. So I just come back to my admin. So what you just have to do is Control A, Control V. So you paste that email, make sure there is no space. Email sent from, you paste that email, make sure there is no space. SMTP host, what you just have to do is mail at your domain name.com. so whatever domain name you're using, let's say your domain name is this, so make sure you put it .com. So you just have to put it. So SMTP from Control A, Control V. So make sure no space. Then TLS, sent it to SSL. Then port should be 465. Then you put your email password. Okay guys, so once you are done putting these details, what you just have to do is update email configuration, and you see that. So after clicking this first one, you click this second one. So if you're good with that, everything is set. So now there is no much stuff here to configure again. So make sure you configure your email before you proceed with any other setting at the admin dashboard. Okay guys, so this is how to set up this beautiful Bitcoin investment website script. So now from the beginning of this video, I promised you guys we are going to be telling you how to have access to this website script. So if you have 65,000, you can have access to this website script. As you can see in this video, it has no error, and we assure you that even when you're setting up, is very easy. And we are also going to be recommending a very strong host and good host for you, so that you have a seamless process and get the exact same results as seen in this video. So if you have 65,000, you can have access to this website script. And thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.